This lecture today wasn't actually centered around mental disorder. My initial objective was to come here and lecture about an algorithm. A couple months.
Phonetics, articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics.
In a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder. Yes, sir.
Tell me about the Mr. Pregnant part. You know, the Atelston part I could figure out later, you know. But
Primarily cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. The acronym is sort of peculiarity. These and creates a sort of surrealistic kind of experience.
You gotta have that balance.
When I write, compose, arrange, transpose, I have a fundamental understanding.